Step 1. Unboxing. When you open the Hepox H20 frame box, you will find the following components. 1 sync rod, 2 base legs, 2 cross members, 1 controller, 1 power adapter, 2 tabletop support brackets, 1 center support bar, 1 motor side leg, 1 complete screws pack with tools, 1 opposite leg. Remove all the polythene covers from the parts and place them neatly as shown in the video for easy installation. Step 2. Prepare the fasteners. Open the fastener pack and arrange all the screws separately according to their size and type. Keep the tools provided in the pack ready for the installation process. Step 3. Motor side leg assembly. Take the motor attached leg and 1 cross member. Use 3 M6 screws and tighten them using the Allen key tool. Note: tighten the screws firmly. Important: proper tightening improves the overall stability of the desk. Step 4. Attach tabletop support bar. Take 1 tabletop support bar and attach it to the leg using 2 M6 screws. Ensure the support bar orientation is correct. Pause the video and check the orientation carefully before tightening. If the orientation is incorrect, the parts will not fit properly. Tighten them firmly. Step 5. Install the base leg. Take 1 base leg and attach it using 4M6x30 screws, the larger screws. Now keep the motor side leg assembly aside. Step 6. Opposite leg assembly. Take the other leg and 1 cross member. Attach them using 3 M6 screws and tighten them completely. Step 7. Attach the second tabletop support bar. Take the second tabletop support bar and attach it to the leg using 2 M6 screws. Again, make sure the orientation of the bar matches the one shown in the video. Step 8. Install the second base leg. Take the second base leg and attach it using 4M6x30 screws. Tighten them firmly. Now place the leg assembly upside down as shown in the video. Step 9. Install the center support member. Take the center support bar and insert it into both leg assemblies as shown in the video.
रुक जा, ऐसे रहने दे। हो गया ना।
Step 10. Prepare the tabletop. Place your tabletop on the floor, facing downward. Step 11. Mount the frame on the tabletop. Place the assembled frame onto the tabletop. Align both legs with the pre-drilled screw holes of your Hepox tabletop, then tighten them.
मुझे लगा कि मैं कैसे गलती कर रहा ओवरऑल मैंने पकड़ा है कभी इसको
Important note: if you have purchased only the frame, you will need to align it manually on your tabletop. Maintain a minimum margin of 150 mm from each edge of the tabletop. The frame can support tabletops from 100 cm to 160 cm. But we recommend a maximum of 140 cm for better stability. Use self-tapping screws to fix the frame to the tabletop if the holes do not match. Step 12. Tighten the center support. After securing the frame to the tabletop, tighten the center support bar using 4M 8-set screws. Make sure the center support is perfectly centered between both leg assemblies, as shown in the video. Now, the important step to follow carefully is the sync rod installation. Take the sync rod and loosen the hexagonal side knob to slide it in and out. Now, fit one end of the rod into the motor side of the leg to check the correct orientation. Pause the video and see. Then, pull the hexagonal rod and push it into the other side of the leg. Note: if the hexagonal rod and leg are not matching, try rotating the sync rod slightly and try pushing again. Once both sides fit properly, tighten the sync rod now. This rod is adjustable for desktop sizes from 100 cm to 160 cm. You just need to loosen the knob and fit them properly. Step 13. Install the headphone holder. Attach the headphone holder at your preferred location on the desk. Step 14. Install the cup holder. Attach the cup holder at your preferred location on the desk. Step 15. Install the controller. Attach the controller to the desk using the self-tapping screws. Important: connect the controller cable and power adapter before tightening the controller, because the cable length is limited.
अब उल्टा कर लो इसको.
Need help? If you still have any questions about the installation, please contact us on WhatsApp. +9 1890 414 4988 Hepox Studio. We wish you a great experience with your Hepox Smart Desk. Thank you for choosing Hepox.